Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add music to Instagram story, and now let's dive right in. Now to add music to Instagram story, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, in order to proceed to add music to Instagram story, first we will be required to make or create a story. So to do that, at the bottom of the screen you can see the plus icon over there. Tap on the plus, and from over here guys, we are on the post section of Instagram. Now in order to switch to stories, you can see the post and the story option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the story, and so guys, I have covered the camera with my hand. So with that being said, you can choose to create your story however you like, but I'll be just uploading from the gallery for a demo purpose. So let's go and upload a photo, a demo photo. And after that guys, after uploading your photo or video, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the music icon available for us. Just beside the three dotted icons, tap on the music icon, and you will be able to choose your music from over here. You can see all of the music, or you can search for your music over here, anything you want to do. After choosing your music guys, let's choose a music, and let's pause this. You can see you can customize the music timing over here. You can see how much of a clip duration do you want it to be. And after that, tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen. And after adding your chosen music guys, tap at the bottom right corner of the screen or the right arrow, and after that you can share your story with music. And there guys, this is how to add music on your story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.